and the ripples just go out on the water.
Wow.
And it communicates to the whole body of water. And the turtles, they usually like to sun themselves on those rocks over there in the summertime. And so you see that they're not yet, not yet, not yet. This is why time is your ally. Not yet, not yet. Okay, see the rock? See the ripples on the rock? There, they're getting there. There's the information. It's right on that rock. But it's like water is important, and waveforms are important. And the waveforms in the body of the craniosacral mechanism are palpable, and they give us information. And I learned that here. And it shows us where the origin of the waveform comes. And that's how we detect, that's how we listen to it and detect an energy cyst.